Nana Kwesi. Fine. Most of Fantini. But Nana Kwesi means so aka Phantom Poda. O catchy kama. But much as almost singing Nana Kwesi singing Votarians and Northerners. So are they not NDC?
Omanhene Adea Akye. I'm say 2 months down the line. Now you can't say Miss Adea Akye cost so MPP amanyoko. Na me say you can't no who aye Adea no. Na you can't about communication. O hwe as say no. O ma fa means bia so. First na nka na do dan kwaku for asem we kra ba ye.
Yes. Wow, how quickly they have responded
fast
with the video even telling Ghanaians said
and they have proper communication in the field of politics. Proper communication, you know. And then these ones are 10 NDC for. What are they doing? What are they doing? Communication some few years to general election. Communication is key. Some person would think kunim dia. Then amodeba. Then amodeba. What is it? A black and I say a white, a red. What new are you bringing on board?
And only Adea be mubusad now. What I say? 2 years to elections, almost 18 months.
Yes.
Ghana funds still anti-NDC agenda
and I was
for 2025. No, but this time they saw because another Kufa 2014 and I started one district, one factory, free SHS, no near Mao. And on trumpet, so it got into the minds of Ghanaians. The 2016, year 2016, I Ghana for this idea view. Anything an NDC be, I Ghana for this idea view. Say, every before the Sobo boy NDC say the alternative is empty. If it is not true, prove us wrong.
Yes.
But you don't hear anything from the NDC now. All that they are doing is, Amano Mona say, what's say Omano? Okay, what's say Omano? Dear now, Babe, nil. When you tell me this, any floating voter that will add up to your vote, because NDC for better NDC, MPP better MPP, but kakrano akanoa. Udi sosuno ono wa hunu susu ya ena MPP nsem bebrebe o mokaye no bebre abeya dada kakra wom NDC dia mokaye adada abamu. So now the politician is not trusted like before.
And as I said, so yankola no so we school asan ba fio free high school product no.
Yes,
oba fio omo system no oba bedu
obeto oba.
Yes, obeto. So when you impact into obeto
agosia maminti
it's up to them.
Maminti agosia osim Anopel super cosum. I win as to be.
Yeah, some say, said the Yaka Conadi. Sana, Etienne Yametia Sibi.
Corral tall light, I did say.
Boss, me tall light, I did 4 months.
4 months. I will feel light in Johanna.
Oh,
also tall light, I did 4 months.
I mean, kind of last time. We don't do me, baby.
Oh, I don't say.
Me cry me 250 cities. Any part 3.
I fear.
Sable me come one na me kwachi.
Ya chibrema.
It's the man wa kwansu so. It's the man breko. As she fit the nana.
Enya do stew.
Me kwana say.
But don't me say I don't like him you no pay.
Okay, say munyina.
School form you know be na mene.
Okay.
It's me
talk 300 400 now.
So na make us ready
meter.
Because the last time I told you say.
Oh, none 3 days.
Moto 100.
Almost
13 days. Kuku has 214 days.
And
a Ducanian and a die. Yeah, oh, that's only my dear.
Sammy die, I mean, we meet them towards that.
Only my dear.
The fridge is
only my dear. Yeah, I'm going to 27% to the year. Me too before. Oh, because I haven't tell you. Me catch him say.
Which is 200 cities.
So 200 cities are. And I can in so 1 month. To 127 or 150.
For to be about almost 60.
For to be annual.
On be refund.
Oh, I think be to say be a credit. It be a 1 city. Maybe a percent about 1 city per pair. This I want to be a 10% not 20%.
Very good. Says a Siano. Say I'm not 100. And I see only 27%. It is out of 100 now. This all the bear 42 cities and only fancy 150. Now buy 150. And just science so.
Yeah, that's not going to be so.
Me calculations ni wa mamo. Omo mutie mi ye no. They are not complaining. And so 50.
And so no crowd here with friends.
And so the super party asin. Who the super party anasin? Any call.
No when you be am friends say
Na you want here.
Who the super party akoso? Who jare to be be wo ro be ya. Party Chris.
Pure water for jare. Pure water for jare.
Anu sin chenu na ri.
Pure water. Pure water for jare.
Na pure water kwaso ti ko ba ku. Ah, chire du na
Now,
wala.
What is stopping in Waja?
Emergency
country. Kanji betu abo na.
Mutu kanji bo. Agoso awit.
Slow. Me ya santini me ye bununi me ye dagombani ende ya kyakya ho ni nyina no nipa kro no a. Sabi producer untwa asantini ho ehunu se moje ewo ni mu no yetuntum ena wo nkotwa dagombani enso hunu se moje ewo ni mu ye kokko ni nyina wutwa moje eba no eye kokko kro ya nipa kro na adea esesa wo mu aye ye kasa ye ka eno nko ana ma ye hunu sosone ye dem ni nyina nkamfua no ye Ghana ba ko pe ene ye kyekere na NDC amanyoko ni minim saje se nkomhyeni bi na beka kire wo mo se de ekeka kono wo mo keka ko ba bia etoro de a sanse se wo mpe sa asantini be ba bedi wanim asantini be preposition e wo mutumidie ne mo nyema mu di a ene mo register nkrofo ama mo maha mo register wo wo other regions no asante mantemu mamu maha sanse faso bia ni so se mba be register obi na mo register wie ne nipa ba be petumidie wo mu a e wona na mo ba be kire ni gina bre se ba bia wo woni nti tribal wo free nti ye de wo si ba bia etise yi a enye we nyina ase ne sei wa abra wo ba beto abade a wotumi ba ha be bontoa e be sere adehye no se mu ye sere mu adamo nto aba ma ye na motoma ye a ye ba mu sei wa abra ye to aba ne wi a enuoma ankasa no ye hia no enye no na mode ma ye e wona na mo ba be kire nipa ne se mu gina bra nie mo kura ampo no mo ye asantefo mo ye egbefo mo ye anwonafo enti wo se ye de mu gina sei wo man e wo hia se ye ba ye nipa mu yimu aye abusuakuo mu yimu no sa nuoma na wo hia de wo sefata se wodie no yemfa sa tumi ne ma no ye rasi edu nketia se woro na sefata yemfa ma no
wo ne ya abati ja anya adwene ho
me ne nya adwene wo kwa bia so ani na wose yimu
wo no suro se wo man hwe ya na omumie no contest wi a ebetimi de titimu kasia ba emma unity they want to foster for election 2024 they must because omumie no nyina ye abrane ewo party ni
we ya asema wo so kan na duru se wo mo kwa akopre flag bearer position no a eni kwa so obi akogina mu bie na mebua se duru se mo kwa akopre flag bearer no wo so mo appoint eni kwa so mo ha mo so mo kwa akopre
we ya asema wo so kan
because on my drum maybe ensemble on my woman what here anopa mi ni di ya me kope kokko adie me se me ba be kasa ensemble on my what krampo a na kokko krampo ye wo so ewu hia
okay
sa manyosem no ye de abusuakuo frafra no ewu hia de wo se fata no ye mani ni ye rasi edu nketia wo free ye adwuma wa amanyoko manya ne munnim ne merayo munnim anuoma obetimi aye ne capabilities ni ade edi so wo se fata ade na mane nkopre bie mo mane mpre so okwo no ore a no mfa ne ngwase nkwatena ase
akosia Adea baako a omo so omo free ha no so can say you go to certain platforms and the certain tribes who are not also hailing from here no gange up against those from here and you will be to say Zuba compare regional secretary na what your platform be say mamon tomano na on free ho tio as for Jeffy say as for J Asantini obepre yes there be na the only corporate no enya Asantini a no ye tribal politics behind say munim so on free ha
na wokoto
ama no enti eno na ama penimfo no bi so fee say ye crony ye na obia no free chrome hanoma obetimi akọ voter region say akwa gina mo be ma na gina kra salentina so be prayer give a fair ground but who ganging your people against media and because obi said Johnny Osei Kofi allegedly if it is true he's a stalwart deputy chief of staff Omanhene Yaw mama pencil obi to say Otiye former energy minister any professor nim penifo sade say almost to feel said there be Asantis for Asantis and yet because a chap party ni mutu
Sure.
because the owo ayi oye Voltarian oye Northerner oye Ga omo votes na ma unya 26% no say Asantifo beto 80% sa onkofo so beto 20 the amount so also oto ama ni krom ni a eji say oye ma ono so abamu bu no ka say oh say na mo say Asante momfa na de kwabena kan no ogina ho no anto aba and this Asante region this year mwanya kra no you need to hit 30%. Man to my hit 30, you can't win the elections.
So no more form team. Ebi adi omoro hwe no no.
Abani ebeto.
Abade
2024.
Ade wanya D4.
Tu shada ni na
Wo munya le.
Tu shada.
Eh do D4 come say we there. Ya wa mi ti o.
Abato
Na we na sajo, utu shada wonto.
na de wie ma ye ntie ni pepe so de akotwa.
Who is a man for Ntoaba? Who apathy? A man for Betuaba. Yeah, court. Was it 2012 and I said then we might say Ghana for Ntoaba. They say would there no aya calculation. Now opposition who by 2024. Abaya 8 years a year Ntoaba. Mesia na Giancrofo de Betuaba no. Obu o de abufuo kopamo aban no. E na obi so de din kogina gina ho 2024. Wow, be yes e man for Ntoaba party.
O se de na man na me fie
twagu mu ba.
Christopher Bayer.
Me me ko bruise.
I say what the kai baby abeko.
Era pa cho me ko bruise. Me ko he Christopher Bayer ni mateje mensa ko sadi.
Oh, the father said. Oh, na interesting. O message se bibia o de jai. Ya mami tio. Mami tio na wi a me was special picture bi man crofo na no pe. Mami tio. Oh, it's a very nice picture. Enyawa oh. No. This me the picture beto a.
Adea one waye.
Okay, mo de mo mami we picture na grandson na bo ma kasa. Hey! Why picture we be pass number 2.
Was obi ntimi no obi bibia wa bibia no obi bibia.
So mami preveni no.
Say you me wan was
Swag pa.
We Saturday a friend no. Your friend no. Queen Texas. I'm a Texas. What about me show me a? Na picture we twem. Na ba chomina, na catch them. I ordered.
Braki nti me na wo ye me say.
Ba oyini.
Nyabia bio.
Oyini. What if say is our togas way no? Asaba. And now say jeans way abapa. Jeans way si abapa.
Get no nyom no say baby ama bedre ye rade adumo.
Hey, ye rade ye na dom.
Na the belt now the two sisi ala.
Na kabe na da so body house one na say no afio.
Titi soja.
Na SHS
So
no.
body house.
SHS.
Hey.
School St. Francis. St. Francis.
Na the flap no wa.
A training Grace Jones. Nothing.
That na Grace Jones na ba.
Usi so onye ne.
Grace Jones.
Usi so onye ne.
Oh, akosia.
Usi so onye ne kra.
Na se ne wasi bi agina.
Na no bi no wa asem school ana.
Eyaki, eyawai.
Okay, hold your breath for me. Na meaning come up in Brazil. We need the former deputy chief of staff, Omanhene Johnny Osei Kofi. Sir, me mo ache.
None of us is tribalism.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
You know, it's a tribalist.
Omanhene Johnny Osei Kofi me mo ache o.
Someone about
Oh. Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Era Johnny Ose Kofi, me watching.
I one country me say what the make eh.
Me pacho any of my new free so why?
Oh the mat yeah. You know, I would not. Oh see a kasa answer me nimu.
Me pacho facha me na Katino. Right. Opening facha me pa na. I think there was a miscommunication here. You know, we don't do our work like this. I apologize. Era Johnny Ose Kofi. Facha me pa. Why? Okay. Me saw a picture and I mean you. I'm not done with my picture description. On say wo hwe shoe no a ho. Hwe shoe no. Na hwe top no. Na hwe asomade no. Na wo hwe belt no a. Any say ne was here sugar no.
Na tete
Oh post no.
Nkwasi agency say na flap be.
Says
I
I no who flap no.
Ba mi shuru de na
I
Italia.
think we can now speak to Johnny Ose Kofi. Obani mi mo achi.
Yeah, Nina.
Me ba cho facha e pa why?
You me that.
Okay. Ofa Chronicle, Ghana Web. I said tribal politics rocks NDC. Na ye don't phone ni aka ho. Ashanti chair hates campaign says hate campaign be waged against him because he's a fanti. Not just an anakwesi and a kasa. Wada Roma.
Oh, sir.
Mami tio.
Nana question na kasa hate campaign.
Because almost say Ashanti chair says hate campaign being waged against him because he's a fanti.
Oh, it be a paper na kasa.
Hey.
Be a paper na kasa. Be a nyana na question na kasa. So just here.
Okay.
But Chronicle is also, you know, a good thing. You know, they could know whatever they are saying. But let me describe that. Dear, oh, my who be time party cry about for as NDC 1991-92. That time, you know, even Rollins was advising in Ashanti here. Let us find Ashanti leaders to lead the party in the constituencies and so that it will become more, you know, of the face of Ashanti than anything. That time, in the Copa, bisa ubia unim party abako Sompa. Yene kasi na yejuma so closely, but offer regional chairman one win the bill, not and the four be. And then another people or no organizer, may he rest in peace. Upon a general, no Kasa Nipem, then for anyone him for a name will put it back anyway, not a manaya corner. You will be great, swell. And as I did, I'm a graduate, departed from it. And I catch in there and said, look, this is your Bota regional. MPP stronghold new and no more one seat. And they are working. Who are they using? They are using indigenous people there to gain some foothold. Look on North, they are gaining grounds. And then I mean, who paper be article be some of these platforms. So paper be any. So whoever wrote it. They are also gaining ground in the northern areas. So we are telling our ways that if these people are using the indigenous people in those areas and are gaining ground, why don't we use the indigenous people here to also gain? This is the logic. Then this time, this particular period, pressure not so some of us have raised our voice and said, look, let us pay attention to what Rollins said. What the other leaders have said. Up to John Mahama Ashanti must become attractive to Ashanti. And there are a lot of goodwill Ashantis who are coming on our side. We have to welcome them. So, no, also want to say, because I won't say, I'm a mean to us. Now, me as a person, Obi Onimi Biano, who catcher will be some me a tribalist, or best through who, as I'm part of the catcher. Because those who know me, my daily dealings with people, yeah, so my bush and what tries to be. How do I become, so, to that extent, this is what I would say. Then we this is some the Ashanti one project. The Ashanti project are more kind of crowd. I mean, I'm the bio. Among boy, we moving in the okay, support, yes, upon the buy. Little be war, the outside the region. I'm saying no. You are studying near the you say, see no echo. A time tested way be a 2020. Yeah, some of us did some work. Yeah, I'm going to ask as once it vote 2016, send on Munya. Not 2020, send on Munya. I'm on
over 20,000.
Yeah, baby, yeah, you group, no, yeah, Asante for those who live in the Ashanti enclaves, Akasa. So look, Asante be a Nina, so. May I tell my bamba could be bundles on the owners and for a man in so whether the developer had any development now. But the idea by a bay, it's why it worked. Now, this time, the moment expanded the same thing, what's the name? As one thing, Bisamuntaka. How things work. Or no, yeah, boys need be, yeah, ring here, or co-addressing. Some meetings or mini rallies of Atlantis in Aswati. This one, what kind of Miss now, almost tribal way, they have their personal interest. The Americans, now, for personal interest, in the meal, say, could make an architect, and what will be
Now, Omono, Kasa, a tribal, no. Sir, if it is Asantis for Ashanti for Asantis, send your nature say Omo Akano so who you on my free mo, Anna.
Why may you be a free? Nipa no more year, Jumano, and no full womb, it's in full womb anyway. Baby,
I don't know the Omudi kind Adea Akye Abia.
Oh, say,
I don't know the Omudi Akye. Send your Camoso Sumbet no my Juma.
oh, you're telling me, be a Juma. I didn't mean be a Juma. But the point of the matter is that where the face of the party, and why.
Okay.
So, what is the face of the party? Asante are very sensitive to this, and in fact, all the tribes. Won't mean free her and call Volta region. South Asia. And then the face of the party, was said to be an
And also they are no credit.
And do overcome idea. Yeah, so almost yet the car Ashanti, almost the dynamics of how the Ashanti works. They would also ask you. It's not something that will be the bus will be asking because that is not the issue. That will be it's not because maybe you are not an Ashanti. Maybe I want you my maybe I want it. What do I say? What do you cut on a question anyway? Or no what person regional chairman? Why no never on a campaign man? Me in my own small way in the campaign man, top of a campaign man. What do I say?
All right.
So what is it? Where is it coming from? But
all right.
Let me say, it is where I've come in. I'm trying to explain this. But in a deeper discussion, we can have it later.
I'll definitely have time for you. You're right, Johnny. You're saying,
But we are paying for my acquaintance into me and into us here, and then people will begin to understand, where we stand. What do I say?
Matthias.
It has nothing to do with tribes. Nothing. to do with tribal something, say we anyone free money. And yeah, possible. Anybody with a little common sense will know that it is not possible to get non-Ashantis out of the party in this region. Anybody. And you'll be a casa, Sasani, Yeka, Mumistani Pakrono, more as I mean, and no free air in terms of thinking. But you're the casa. What do you say?
Just yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Look, we have to be sitting down to talk. So there's a lot of potential in there that we have to use. Very brilliant boys. Some of them came to tech. So, what is it?
Right. Meda Asiano pay. You're right, Johnny Osekofi. I don't know. Mabeja Fuaba, but Maminti out, Yawana, many woman to us. Fuseni don't call her. Na, honorable society, na auto banaba.
Was it man in Casa?
I was also Kofi Yadepa. Oh, Yadepa, man in Kabika. And Canada.
No. So, I know that don't go so tapping and
I will pay to my casa. But you,
I would have no crew woman say, Akunya de Tofia, say Bayan Munyambe Bakunyan Huntino, or say be bomba, or say be Chessican, or say be okay. Yes, I would have. So Akunya way to na
why couldn't you talk?
Me say me yan.
Ifrim.
Okay, Sakunya wait.
Thank you.
Abuda Sakunya Tofia. Sa pedia ma ho anim onyam ni akunya no ho.
That's akunya no kra nimu.
Animu. Iti eye. Ese du ketu omfa mom. Nana Kwesi ommasum. PV onu sun twa ba.
Are PV be gina bi.
Na PV
call for original chairman.
Original chairman. Akunya
say PV ya obi pe. Nana Kwesi.
Sir. Ba ya bi pe de na mti ye me nwa.
Ade.
Konko national. Ya bi
pe
ko
bro.
Eno se me na say papa yi. Onko national bia national vice bi. So hu. Ashanti region for ne ba. On pe ba wo. Ona na me expect so be ko national vice bi.
O say ya obi pe mu odru a o ya bro Ashanti
region so.
No nyai Nana Kwesi o ye youth no.
So Jaima Nana Kwesi ni PV. Na komo bomano so hu. Ye hu se ne ade ni siti akwa.
Ya obi person fi say 2012 and 2008. And no sisi kai twitwa ni nyina o de ho pa for there.
Obroso onko national.
Sa.
Obroso onko national.
Ba who say who tie Johnny Osekofi mu so am so mo candidate no no.
Oh akunta. Yet Ghana ohu. Yem population ekuta sisi na ekuta about 60% yemebu no. Akunta na ekoso NDC mu no, it could mark a new era for the party. Ese dun ketia hwe yi. Sa general secretary na wagya to no no a oso okope national chairman no. Wan hwe ya na hwe ya wo party nim e na eba no.
Ofusom of betima biti no.
Say anya ofusom pofo kura no a new person bi ono susu. Wo de hwe general secretary no won wo ma yi omuti. Elvis Efri Yankra. Ayi e kan se fifi kote ayi ne ti. And now one other person bi so Opito Tukono. New era. General secretary no.
Tukono say okoya professor almost professor.
Why any PhD boys na sua de. Boys na sua de o ma sua de na anyini o ba be di general secretary.
Look at MPP general secretary.
New era bi na about MPP.
And also renew Africa. There's a new era of young presidents coming.
And there's a new era of businessmen taking up the presidency in Africa. Ibisusu boboba o.
Canada Japan so yi ni.
It could mark a new era for NDC. I said dun ketia hweye. Opa ni general secretary no. Osan kwetena wa. No nyai chairman no ma wo no muni. Wan hweya. Ono ofo so ampofu nyina no be kofie na young boys number. Edi new direction, new vision about the party.
Well, you can't do the whole thing the same time and get new results.
For say
2007.
Yeah, and what dia be see there.
Adey.
So akota hwe no ye ke bibi say kodua mo baye omo the new direction omo the new niema bia ba oka say ndc for no mo to no mo hu say Justin kodua na anu ya ye say a global festival there amanfo akwa huru president edi how many hours edi how many minutes
any 2 hours
and omo be press statement edi original video compare new video ne old video ne sa niema no ndc for hu say there's a new era a new vibrancy bi ewo MPP mu a eboboba and also omuso so ye bie omo ye ntafo na ntafo ye nyina na ye bobra ye se ye kwadwoso anase ye se ye konkran na mimi nua kakra na anase pani no de ka no o de aduru konongo within 5 minutes na me 10 minutes na me da so me de aleche de na tech dance ya ye be de yakọ it omuso so ma hu say there's a new from ebo in the politics of Africa
Adea Justin Kodua week bia or regional ye adwuma
region bi okoye adwuma ho or starting Thursday or starting Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday
no
Sunday
back
no movie ko Accra o ka so mu hu za de ni bi o ka say ndisi fo hu ni
last time no Jomoro Western regional e ho no okoye adwuma free o regional office
yes
for a whole week
yes
Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday okoye adwuma ho no mo he had opportunity to meet all the constituency executives
direct information contact with the people
me say yes o free ho I say Western region o manya ade bia
yes
and gia o mo de gi no
and
he went with all the timo
eduka send this o mu hu enti ne ekoso when this mu sese no general secretary say dun ketia so de ato okope national chairman o mu nyina ye ebe market the new era a new beginning for this
thank you very much thank you for so don't call and pom to say mamina ya bo ama ohini akoso jewa ko de na this my team there is unbeatable. You will love to be with them. Uncle Canada here. So some moba. Some moba. Just say akunya ne eniwonya huni ho. Na e ka unko anka bo hu. Okay. Fuseni. Otra se na me hu say your mouth is west no address won no ma bia use me. Mami sha say free ho. Mami tell.
Mami chia wahwefo na minchia yetie phone so mutie Sompa radio na minsanda masen so eja me papa etoye but mu fresh me nkran yi ene your friend say announcement kra mo ye boa that when you producers nyina ase amishira mo pa nsenya me adom ye bibia ko she 26th of November
ebe da beta o chi to why
ebe no ho ho ajekum na ye busia pani Omanhene mitie one Ira Johnny Osei Kofi conversation no and mitie o panelists so brilliant submissions from your panelists, they did very well. Omanhene NDC Ashanti region obie ni NDC mo waka say ompene Emma Sebi Asante Nimbedi party nani. It is never true. But said you come and share your I'm gonna for Kunya. Your Sabi Zungu for Kunya, your Musi for Kunya. What's my say? So we've come to accept the fact that Ashanti is not just
different.
Asante. Ashanti is not just Asante, a cosmopolitan area. Because said okay, Nana Kwesi was born and bred here. There's
so many of them on winning.
Ultimately, Sabi, Yanum cry, you need the answer near bay. Sabi Nana, Safochun could be a doctor. Come on, they say, on my after me send So I am an adopted son of one of the most powerful kings.
Come on,
yes,
doctor.
It is a me come at times, no. That's just by the way, anyway. My Mr. Doctor no pay. Yenya analogy ni ye. Ubo obedient to say Francisca Jumo, deputy women organizer. Waye na Juma ene. Okase okope women organizer near Tomana. E you be appointed no. And I want to say.
Yes.
So oko secretary position. na ukonya ofori buadi agiman zuba ene lawyer safoduku enienu ekopre na se njokone ene sabi amuako hene kroso krasa ka ho franka amuako hene so saka ho na se njokone ene ho kra yes I think it's only njokone ene ye ebi manfreni a oka ho this asante for me inside pre secretary position na se manfreni ni fomu kwa why na ye
okay
aden Ashanti elders now mo champion Ashanti project no omo mfre Asante for me and sanin kase oh ye nuanom ye pese ye boa Asante ni ba ko ma ono so timi ewuram a aden na mo mienu mu njai ma ba ko nko eno ne de omo nye o and it is not so much even about the travel of it but Adea wo ho ne say one time na ye wura Yaw Bimpe eye chairman oya santini kan ohina jekum oya santini kan yes ohina jekum de free opposition e de ye ba power ana meboa e no jaye ma Yaw Bimpe be fae Yaw Bimpe fae nyina ne ye wa ba mo ye free power no Yaw Bimpe de ye call baby ti say 423,000
what free 610 about 420
and anana kwesi as vice ne be so and another question the free 423,000
about 653
that is it 653,000 from 3 MPs or the other 4
plus
what I say
plus independent
so etinyati MPs no so Abba is only numbers of 42
with a percentage of 74 about 71
you see so it's about performance and competency.
But it looks like now they are not looking at performance. They are
and
looking
that is
at
where Ayemi Yase and no Niesha na say go free hakeke.
But he
so
says
why
what?
do you go change such a chairman and say so Yema Obia or ya Santini ko di anim for the end?
Almost said the dynamics of 2024 no. Almost also
And
did
yeah,
come and quite to say MPP be a be come and share MPP be call certain places and who be here say Santini ba go kasa because who do voter regional
kono kra no menhia ho kra na wo ka asem no fanti akonwa wo ho mosi akonwa wo ho ayigbefu akonwa wo menhia nti say ayigbe ni di anim na okọ ho a na wontimi nkasa ayigbe hene ne nkasa ma no fanti ni di anim na okọ no wontimi nkasa fanti hene ne nkasa ma no
Nana Isel
why are we doing this and now let me correct my senior brother and me boss Johnny Osekofi when you go to the north and yes sir say say north we mun kwa ndi o if you go to the north we have Dagombes there Nanumbes Mampusis Konkombes and all the rest o nti kare na Dagomba fonso nka say tamale ye dia and I say northern region ye dia nti no yen so ye mpene ma other tribes ne be ye na mo wokwa ne vice the all acting regional chairman for north Sisia Alaji Mobila wuye Konkomani Adolf. So I also crown is a cosmopolitan. Who call voter regional? And yes, I be a phone quo. And ya before quo. You were a canphony be moving to T side. Even the Anglos are there, the Vedomens are there. And do the offers I be M block crown you betting. I'm a woo, Okodi MPP and him. I'm a woo descent comes from Togo. That they settled in, he was born and bred in a friend said Hawkeye. Chairman I know udi a year nim Sisia a voter south. The udi a nim Sisia Ufra Mejope. Onokranya Igbe new. A Mejope Mokasadi different from Igbe. So let's not Adekoka or Yankrani. Adekoka Yankrani. Njade na nkranfo nka se ye penkrani kran okọ gaman che ho a obetimi aka nkran. Let's stop it. Adene is about
to what extent can it affect your party here?
Me they affect your cry in the region say sebi obi asore twantora to regional executives so. Eno ka makunsia. Na obi anim se sa anka obepe chairman. Enti na okọ keka assign nsem na okọ keka ye no.
Ma mo de call committee.
Yes, committee akotena se ya frɛ when timi amfa evidence back ko pese ama we expecting say committee
no no na ka say nana kwesi aton elections no
yes.
agisika boom
that is it ntinka okọ ya your friend say o evidence o here o ka so ni evidence no nka you expecting say ka sabi penifo be man abese da bi sadia sabra monte be pachew because what ka sama to obi so ewie na say ne ye frɛ no wantimi mpanifo ni wantimi amfa evidence ama brana be pachew. We shouldn't twist it and go and be hiding say there be a crisis say the cry pay ye nipa ma ya be di nanim mo twa ntro ato no so mo ntimi unsubstantiate ntro na mo ma parache why do you go this tribal thing free baby o enye no crescent penifo bi say yes Rollins time no some of the executives we were appointing them what am I say
this time is by elections.
This time is purely by elections e be na mama example why should typical Ashantis miensa mu nyina mo kopre position baako chama hokra na wo kano Asantefo be se 9 e na eba wo PV ba kaya de ba Enoch insiano so ba
obi
mpe so ba nipa 9 njare na mo ni omo nkasa se baako pe nkra na embe challenge na akwasi we se be ye manfrafo ne na yaye yen settlers ne ye na yaye. So you see, some people are just pushing their personal parochial agenda and yet end this in Omofa. And I'm happy say honorable people be so to say Dr. Kwekwajima Mensah, honorable Betty Modi Drisu, Keneje Mu, Dr. Opunimu, Omunyina sorry. Minim so Hina Jekum doesn't support some of these things. He rasta po Omunyina and supported some of these things. But there are some few but they're just making the work difficult for us.
All right. One can be in yet. Say that. You know, be a hair. Maybe I am a bono. Only part of any man you move. We are seeing. I see a sem to young one. Obi asem, you be asem.
Me aje kum de nka me nka bi nanso so. Omanhene invite me ha die. Oman wada roma me.
Tia wana fe yenwura IMF ne. Hooting and booing of.
September 18th, 2018. Na don't go for say ni minua na ope to me e wo NDC for asante mantem ha. Na ba bi o mo de be kɔ no akoto aba no na edi as the then DC anama ba me GC
yes wow they will GC with
because I mean for remontando I mean for the currency I was on radio and of frame and radio no so cry no omo frame no there were education
oh yeah Adea kakra
but so for ba ho ma admit mejimo because
obemo ma boye no ya conduct
by the end of the day don't make ama minua don't go at bia na refi because that day na oye busy day no na me otwebo akodua administration ho e hwe me security issues. Number 1 I say don't get ya can say me say and I quote on my he said the trend in Ashanti NDC now is tribal politics. You always hear the party members claiming the NDC belongs to the Votarians because the founder is from Volta region. Others will also say President Mahama is from the northern region, therefore the NDC now belongs to the Northerners. Ashanti will also fight other tribes in leadership position that won't allow any tribe to decide for us in Ashanti, our home, our homeland. All this don't help in promoting unity in the party. I said,
as I said, Nketia has admitted.
2018, I was Tribalism senior high school Kumau speech. I said, Nketia, or swear omu in.
And also Munyai.
Exactly. I want to say your papa ne kanokra omu mfa nya adwuma. Because one say tape bi ababonten omo a sebe omo nye akamfo no enso blast it. Ashantis ne say they don't contribute anything to election victory. Enti omo kra omo to abawi a nipa no site Samosapon honorable Dr. Samosapon pe say ono na ode ne ba omo maka nyina obi amfi enti say omo pa omo je party no free Asante for themselves, and this is what is happening.
There's a tape out to
yeah, there's a tape out. I even have it. And on the kofa Durudin ne Asafo J issues no so e buy.
enti asama ase no kesi aka en general say do kesi aka en no a o kan no twe wa kodua and is playing again e wa shanti mantem ha but the American say de ye nyina aka no me ne era don't go say ne ya adwen enua no ne say amanyosem no e kan e bom entete yentem nti yenhwe akwan be fa so a e betumi ama odo abetra yentem na even NDC ne MPP kura no e true baby e trans di nkomo.
Okay. You share the issue. The MPP is alleging, say, the booing of and the hooting that happened in Nkrino, NDC orchestrated. I'm an opinion Larry Dogbe Achochin Komo Abe deny so ni moshe. And Hosna Doyeso Abu Budin, Abo Suhuyini Din, Abo Larry Dogbe Din, Abo Sadiq 3FM awards no what body din 3 music awards. So I'm gonna cover for Dama for be mom by yes and also acquire nsema. But a lot of people have condemned say and it's such an international platform. You don't have to come out there whether you belong to a party or you don't like what the president is doing. And Tamre when your bra obabe say obe ma we are see who say as a woman penny no as a money in honi ade. Who's any mamintio? Then you add the IMF.
Yo, Omanhene.
To cover to IMF, they said on a bread and butter.
But me das say me nuano so I thanked him for his magnanimity. Akoya ya numbia. Said a jam ko besu so agu munya. Omanhene me dey ne say we are looking at performance. What him said there oka say tape me nua Yakubu Tony. Dem say o fidie so kra oka say bufu so pa because ade ne sha ase ache. Ena mpanimfo ni bi nso nkasa bi ena montunti a chama we like ena ono nso be kasa mo na mo kasa ye ntunti asa chama na ye ye fo so wa bo no ho modern no mo ko nyinya positions no mo abe na mo so mo de bae what I say like was I say era General say Kofi as former deputy chief of staff what has been his contribution Professor Teji like Obiang the constituency there be na we ye wo ho we all know what Teji did in Bosuntri omo makeke ni nyina nti he cited Dr. Sapon to the point to say oba na ye ka omo a omo bua party no mo sama omo makra ye kwa omo madi a kire bia you only see the son of Dr. Sapon
apart from that Obiang
what I say so it was out of anger na minua no ko kan asem say ye nko no mo ntwitwa ye ewie nsusu a e ba appointment dia normally it is given to you mona yedema mo
okay
njade na ye kakra ye pe we nsusu e ya na mo pese mo yi nti ayi mu ni de ye nyai
okay
obia
all right
Omanhene me one thing I've seen now ne say Omanhene no the economic management team no are confused yes Omanhene confused in the sense say finance minister no maka wo fidie so da se na adwen apem eba amamuo sikasem ho a he's out of ideas now the chairman of the economic management team Dr. Baumia he's also confused confusion is emanating from say yekodada and say oh ye wie bibia na nado koya wo na wo fa say ohun say sa simpie na ogina so no kona ejuriguri Canada, Japan, the so sonic pickers, TSM, a Jiri Baumia Manugupa. Till now, Baumia cannot concentrate. No more for so maybe we Alan until maybe. You see, your friend is saying, Canada, Japan, will lead a bunch of Nkusiema. And on my TSC Baumia Brufu. We answer more. Baumia himself cannot concentrate. And Bank of Ghana governor no say there wadani kenufurata puppet umia remote control na yes a boss umia remote control na yes a boss and one oye and Nigeria ho no so anka ye be make sure say port ho ye be nya niema ayi revenue papa bi e dey you know Gabi wants to control that place nti wo kasa no anka say ya ye be yiwe free ho nti GRA any port ho so customs ho obi asusu and obi ayedi nti now the only idea in the head of Kenufuriata and they say yemkwaje bosia na mempe kakra nkoma data bank Inti Ghana no enye bullets ne bombs na air fly wo Ukraine na hit you. Eye loans na ye gia bombs na free loans no mu eco data bank no ene hit Ghana. Because loan bia ye beji bia no can you for that nyamfaso. Emfaso no so emma Ghana eco oni na busua preparing another's retirement.
What script na wo kan na say asema wo kan no
script be na make die ko IMF na me kire wo suban bonia de ko IMF no na me kire wo no IMF ya nsore kwa ne ko yo say abrofo ne say Ghana ya ammo braku a wo de bosia wansi di kura ma Ghana ni tua ma no be ye den.
So they are going to come with debt sustainability.
To say
a free balance of payment.
To say you need balance of payment. Balance of payment no kura de atra ho. Enka first no de enka yesi ye kwaje bosia e de abeb so ya kohoma bosika so. To say kohoma sika ne bi kura ni ho. Nti no say no gise o musa be ma ejetire kura ye de be bo akohoma na enya bi kura so sa de ahwefie. Eno ho nsese ne ye kwa yesisi because they say ya de kana my kana mene yen. And ye massage inflation. Because we share the rate of nearman to tumuna any inflation or mukutuna and yet pay.
You 31%.
Yeah, 31% in the day. Inflation nankasa ni number 80. Iti they say no, oko euro bond market near omo the prior chi. Obi am pay ni ma hwe ho. Ye ko say oh okay, mu de saloon bosia kra ye beji. Saloon for kra so omo ma ye bosia. Because they say international rating agencies ni nyina say Ghana ye nipa bi a wo de osika wan cedi kura koma na wo ntimi ntua emfa ma no if you say ya mo ye bra yi they say ye kwagege sika revenue a si eje 100 million 100 billion Ghana cedis every year 100 billion no ye di mu be say over 56 billion ekutua kanko 57 billion kura. The 57 billion could tua Bosian si hu enye Bosian ankasa
interest
payment kwa keke 56 billion. I just think here the best 35 billion echo what is say common fund. Ye the best ebisu 35 billion 37 billion e kwa ketua emolument payments common fund 25 billion no seseno eno so kra nyama get fund NHIS fund for no statutory funds ni nyina emai nti sika ne ye kogege a ye tua interest payment ni tua adwumayefo akatua na sika nasa.
It's amortization mile
Era me kire wi
principal na
bisan where was the last time a common fund buy?
Last year December by January first quarter Adiaba.
You say I was saying
it's a third quarter.
You Omanhene so nka Adea Akye Abia person ye say no e kana many ya to the extent say omo de omo sika be to treasury bill any say be euro bond for ni nyina sore ne ka say ye sika omane bebo omunyina sore ne e ka say ye sika
rana TBS 20 you say I'm 29
yeah entina komo de haircut na eba no debt restructuring na omo ka ho asema abrofo no 1 year semester mamo attempt side haircut ni nyina kire say enka osika that treasury bill ni ye 100 million na ye twa haircut be say 10% haircut enka obeko na osika na ba 90 million obia 10% ni atete so no kura wo mini say Omanhene ya so ye man akobọ ni fe yase
really
nanado say be ono enjoy early retirement and na boys nkiti bi na special advisors bi na rule oman yi akoye bedi etio kenoforia ta gabi tripartite committee and na senior minister share kirina technical advice no dey ma omo and ye oman say dey pe ye mpra de nkofie na sese omo ye nyese ye bu Ghana o ye mpra de nkofie to the ye mpa japade nkogu to the extent say the next ebia 50-100 years no ehia achim bi. That is the strategy now. ba pass yem bugana de baby ho de o ma free ho o ma free sa kwan no so
mu ya kwan so ne niema ho
akwan de
no ya keep ko so ma ko bie
ma me nchira wa de
hydro kwan
if you take a loan to do a friend say kwan say sa kwan ni de enye de you have to do it because when you have loan ne da
any choice
some of the loans no are structured in a way say insihunu no obetimi agi akoto ne data bank but so obefa tika na nka say didi enye possible because China for this kind of krama wa ono abefa ne contractor no o man letter no akoyi sika ni bi no matua ne ka no dia say na Japan for omo brem sika bi amesi hospital or isekura ho Hamidu ameka say ye be omo di sika ne be breyen ne ya toto niema masa could be account no could be no mo di sika na koto account no contractor aye certificate contractor we here saying or see me here say no money embassy or no more releases kana ma contractor ni street
amount
and yes contractor ne be hu mo boss jiwe to nsu a akopa jafade abapa so na komodo you see so some of the loans they have no choice some loans na mo de yakwan ne de ontimi ndi sika na ma ne nye yi na mbom sokola afia kakra arrangers fee on the loan ba ku bi a tie mu parliament 250 no de na okoji loan na ma keke nkra ji 50 million okoji loan na bre keke no
then and compare 1 billion about 750 no
imagine Omanhene you know those are some of the Adea ba kunso say kunye kese pa special assistant to the office of the president in charge of social media, in charge of Eyin Sabodie, in charge of president's kente, in charge of president's traveling, in charge of arranging Sewa Bruni, omunyina GP.
That's a staff.
Just a nipe guho
presidential staffers.
Over 2,000 presidential staffers. Ebi nya hwe. Obi aso ni ho ogisika below the friends 100 million. Kikabum nipa 2,000 by 100 million. Saying. And no ka ho na de pressure about to your wage bill no so. Omanhene debt structure ni there they shouldn't attempt it because a dangerous recipe. O de monko sunchire IMF na IMF hu ye mobo. Enye den a umbe review free SHS.
What makes you think that they will review free SHS?
And I bruni or ni sike be mawa. On fa ma say jiku twa wanu mu.
I don't know free SHS na office umbe.
Enye me na make o. O man start boy koko. No, you see, let's be realistic. Bruni fa sika mbro se fa kosi na chan cathedral. Eye loan o, enye achede o. It is on the loan, brewa. He expects you to do something to pay back.
Return on investment.
And you bisa say free SHS, yes, a social intervention program, good. Okay, in Tinkolano, we are modern. No actual item, line item, near my momo. Inti, you a free man ye. You a free man ye. That is what they are going to do to you. Until all the populace, nurses, allowance, teacher training allowance. Niema now, udi sika kom ensamba no. Broni mfa ni sika ma osefa koye. Enti na say IMF nsem na aye konabra nkobesi sa no. Niema na udi ye yo National Cathedral on pene ma wonsi da. Odi ni sika bro na odi akochata presidential jet on pene da. So yes, there will be a lot of reviews. But Omanhene me dey ne say president en kanu krenchre Ghana man. Oh, me manfo, Mr. Mo. Ahochire na haba no. Yaso ye man akobɔ no fe yase.
President make us and check Ghana for.
Ai, on kanu kre.
Somebody
Yes, will love you more when you tell them the truth.
Hold it there for me. 21st clinic, you expect in sciatica. Na a free year to a sequopim and entry. Entry bisa ho na se ho ka. Eye nerve. Ebe du juma papa. Wa no ama wona. No ama nante. Ono so ma nyina. Enti ase wo gina ho ase wo tra ase wo sore. Wo be bre wo widie mu pa. Mpanimfo su nkwada esu. Eno nti ena 21st clinic aba oba. Bo modena fo ani ti asoye no e wo Ghana ha. Asoye makoma du nwotwe and counting. Ena ye di juma. Ye wo hotline. 0540 311311 0540 311311. So bo modern bo ra honomo na ahoma no fam tomu a komo bia no be de na nya no kwa stroke ana hepatitis ana malaria na also na yade bia ewia overseas Alpha Radio obehu ye ho oboase council quarters called junction nkokwa atane ataye ni stadium main gate di hwe ni mu enkran East Legon American House pusu ahoma ye call center 0540 311 ajekum memo akwa babio mami tio
me ramedase Omanhene bitie me nua donko analysis na sciatica induced also
sciatica induced analysis. And here the diagnosis of 21st clinic. Oh my goodness.
You see, Omanhene amamu na fomo. Yeah. Na obi a o admit say oman no asesa isikasem e o mampani na nado danko akufado. O kan same way na oko Cape Coast 6 March o sa kan. Oni ti usifo shia omo holiday bi ya o kan ho asem. Na o mampani e o mampani a odi no krekere Ghana for. Na eno na ama NDC for I frustrated kakra because almost to say yes, let's admit say obiba fuel pump ya baby a ton petrol ne diesel main ko ground ka say auto fuel na ni age na ni nye because ne bokosro say they no ton no ra no and asesa say obi come market edwemo ya ban mu he de say ne na ma no ton no enra no enente sa enti o mampani a ono ne di edom ni nyina anim no ono so tiase se niema sesa enti na ogitu mu e na Ghana fo ehun se eye no kware emre asesa na nye Ghana nko a emre asesa ewo onwan ni on di dwa ama isikasem akoha no maame na esenka owa yi ase eyiye ba na oye chinchinka e de ko eyiye na se abrante na ode has ekoho ni PK ode handkerchief eko eyiye ba na trotro drivers bodomase kumawu raso bodomase drobonso sabre na eyiye kra yenye bi obi obeware kra no na hedru ba bi a wedding ne sa ne ma ne nyina ye de tabona to so affect yesikasem ye pia free sa o how ne amane mu ana Omanhene entoka sem so eba wiase a Ukraine and Russia edentokwa siso enun free ho se ye gitum se sabi impreduasa Ebola ebra na NDC call IMF no omo de niema miensa enekoe baako ye Ebola na baako ye dumso ena baako nso ye sa balance of payment issues me pamucho omo tie yen e wo taxi ne trotro mu a yen hye omo bufuo me se me megina nkasa niema ye okay but yen hwe no krese sabre no Ebola etimi ma oman sikasem bubuyi dumso essay oman sika na yen aye wo tumi wo so enne ntoko e koso a me no ti aye ka say manganese esenki e de ko Ukraine yentumi mfa nko because ya to port no sa manganese no amanfo ya adwuma ho ye benya sika awo oman yi mu enso aka Takra deport because untumi mfa nko hefa na okwakodoki yenti niema ewiase dia de ncheche niema ebufa so efie ekopim omampani minua DC pay why na spend pa chain sebe aban si school dan aban yi kwan aban enti se cement boy den a why na kanopa e ka bai ne ka bai so ana ka ne ma e ma ne mema omo ye adwuma mofra enti o man ni nyina no yenti asundue mu in terms of sikasemu nanso so adea baako a obetumi aka na ye de nyina ye de aboye ho safo hene ne se ye wo yasundue enti amaye toto sikasem se de be ya sa be page ye ho afrim ebra omampani nanso se ye beko IMF NDC for Omanhene sa me de o kwachiri kra ebra de 11 no ba no NDC for fight ya to the extent say nanka emaso because na on pese oman ye call IMF na om equalize my idea you call IMF what is your problem oh yes that is it my idea you call IMF
their strategy was to push you
exactly
because someone says sikama
exactly
na ya na mo kire mo ambeko
enti you call IMF ye call ye no mo saa de eniema besisi akwan mu kire se sabin preduas eniema reasons a ye de ko na ye nkontompo omampani dada John Dramani Mahama kan se ensam a ya boaboa no de ko IMF no enye no kore yen ya na ya ntumi anhwe sika sem so yiye IMF pani a oda no no kasa se asem a kenofori ata na Akufo Addo na ban aka no no kore obi ani ho a waye oman no basa wo sika sem mu efri ho no World Bank rep wa ha okan se no kore
no kore de osisu se energy sector a car amino ebo no as affect your mind.
John Mahama energy sa ayi
take or pay
or the unum se pay be no kofa eno no the sign o or the sisi su kofa no ready kofa na ye o Jesus no na energy ministry na energy for no na one appointing or the kofa pay o pepa o ya kra na sa ya watadiem omo san wie na ya o matade ye draw na attention sa die wei e be ha o man no so ye nko enne kane a ye hia ye tua ho ka 12 billion Ghana cedis a year. Open one cancel.
No, they can't cancel.
You cannot cancel it.
They said they will have a renegotiation,
exactly.
But you can't cancel.
We are paying. Oh,
it cannot happen.
They
will take you to the Hague. They will take you to international court.
And meba manin
kana say
energy asem ne ka ne nyina ye ekwan amofa azu bu oman no oman no ye na mum sabre
but as I speak to America is not in operation now.
Yeah.
America is not working.
They've not paid them.
No. The issue is the arrangement to
relocate.
No.
Kumasi.
America is not working.
And no problem chop inside.
Yes, see, mo sign na the American say sabre. Omo mutie Sompa no. Enye history no na omo ehwehwe efri me ho. Omo nim dada. But ye be koso adi no kra kire Ghana for say. Na omo nya ye mugidie say adwuma no ye guso ayeye. Na ye be ye na oman ka say ye akwan ye tua school friend say free SHS ne sa na ma ni nyina. Enya de a ye be jemu. Ye be koso na ye nim say ba bia ye hu challenge no a eye ye sika say mo ye toto. Yes, I be back to baby ani e wo. Amai nyina enra na ye memobo. Ghana ni a akoye finance minister or UK. Kwatin me boa. We baby a omo pound ne dollar no relationship no imbalance. Ajinsemu as say UK contemplate so be call IMF.
Hey.
Yes. That is the new order. So ni mo a na ye tiase a yes last year na mo Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, all of them. Na Ghana no, ye besre, ye bu oman no ma sebi mobrofo, ye bu oman no ma ekunafo, ye bu oman no ma enyanka. Esan se nka oman mu anyi ni sin na ejanka ba wo school mu a school fees ka hwan na kwa akutu ama no. Ko be frim. Obi a ono se de petrol bo kosrui. Ya nye ne saa oman no nso ebetumi asesa ne hyebre mu akoboni mu no enka oye adwuma no na okofie a na ne nkwan kakra trotro driver kwa agyeman mo a o mu twi car no oduru fie ana ne nkwan asa sebi asa anyinya de otifie no a ono nso afiri fie aba asafo market na oso oba be ye cold store oton na ntwinam ne adwene ne ade a ode ahye fridge mu no obeba ne so osa abɔ me ekotu amana na de akogum asay sa oman no na don kofuzeni emubu yo ena ose omuman no omubu ye no eye better than the ye empo ohaw ne amane a Ghana for ye nyina namu no mo ankasa monya judges me ye teacher ni eduru ba bi na nkra yitwa bi SSC na omu wie na ya master frame ya ka kire me say nkra no a omu afri 1 2 abeduru 3 no obi a wontu ya ni school fees nnie ye bia no hey mo fa ma na mo nkopam wo mo na o ji school fees o boakora no ana o pam no na waja ne pen ato ne paper so areho enne enkwada o mo hya ase ebesi ne o mo twere nsohwe no awie ne na o makoduru fi asomdiem enyo mampani ana ni nku ni ma ho enyo mampani na ni nku ni ma ho ne do ene na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo wotema ema Ghana fo enti enya dia ode ebo ebedane yen abodo na mom dia aba na aba wiase eye akukire na aba emba omu odwam a omu tie yen omu nim said ye kan na eniema ne ekoyie no omu hui ana eniema sesa ye omu hu menu mienu nam ho ayetoi senya oman sikasem ena sebe wiase yare yi ni entokwasem a ama enua mono kura ebubu na ye enua wo ye ho kire a donko enka yakoye nim kura che sei nanso ni nyina mu no omampani ebekoso adi no kure na no na ama mo frustrated a ama siatika na nyamo a wo sorry a na mu di judge satem well I say kwara mo the international they say John Mahama who World Bank a woman ya also on chia no ne ya ka den say wan ka no kure abia mo ano as I'm speaking omo lawyers a omo call Ghana ba hen association mo no omo ko radio for sebe mpraduasa anka omo susu say almost you are not being fair to them ebra omo aban mu no na yen de nka sata minka omo ne moko but they made manu si ne say yen nyina yenya oman ni mu gidie na yen so appointees no yen so said the Ghana for any ati ye niam mu odin o maka omo si so edwo gidie say eniam be ye yie no yen so your lifestyle so no ense the fatal rad.
All right, one family clinic seven kanchel Miss Pomodine tie me on say yes ni emran ne dania now so aye day what dani hu bi one family clinic for Adea Omoya FN say ya introduce you abrochire abagana your friend home care on say bia enyo bia obo titire pa na bia yare aka no obo also a onya bre ni mrenti one oyire ne wo ma Saturday give us a call ebia mo bedu fie 5 o'clock ye ba ye car ne besi ho ne ye ba fie a o pressure na o se check diabetes na o se check se o se be gi ye be twe moja ye gi saliva ekoye scan ekoye we a wo de o dia ne se wa free one family clinic we will come home at the comfort of your home relaxed hospital in a van hospital at the behest of you. Wow, they open a bell. One family clinic. Now, dear demon tintimai pa pain. We are pain expert. We say they all medically inclined. Obu one man is ya no econom painkiller.
Yeah.
But on him say bia in his spinal. Obu okra kidney. It may affect you sisi. O lungs, o pancreas. Ebi kra won so no. Problem about ho also ye fun ya now no a painkillers sa debi abdominal pains are all famu ni nyina no don't just take any painkiller talk to one family clinic exclusive herbal treatment massage physiotherapy laboratory services guidance and counseling attached ye we nyina wo patase estate junction brotherman sport ye ben hopa ubu so bi o patase ye be kire Chifo praso ye ho asinfosu agnas redo mankesim puso ahomana no pay 0546 686817 0546 686817 or better still 0546 686817 one family clinic your family at your doorstep you can just trust us give us a call bibia ufamu biano yebeboa na fei wanya upay no ho nsem awie na wanya bibia no mo one family clinic no man must eat aduane ne the X5 restaurant and pub weekend di buy a year pie kwase omo didi ye nyina fe obia esi Monday Tuesday no open some by X5 abedidi it has a weddings parties hold funerals ayekoye reception ma omo bo omo nsem ma esa see you kwaku sapon and na weekend he say in suta and okoye adwuma okọ honomo na okọ aya na nika say ti say onso obi anka wo kwa adwuma baabi no say adwuma na okumase na say obi suso eye na yi okumase akobeka say omi consultant mi nya adwuma da bi o odi niam na be consultant obeye aduane am free suta be kumase Me see nipa 5,000.
Wow.
Ah, those times budu. Ni maami wo ye CEO ECG. Na ye. Nipa be 5,000 aduane ye the simple.
Omanhene business here for you.
Obi ade o. Ex-wife de enya se wo ye kesefo na akodi di o. Fuseni, o be so okọ. Ah, de wa se wa. Ye Ghana have a bia frɛ kogusa pa on ni team beba. Cat sie na niema ni gum. Ye ba be ye aduane papa. Hey, ope banku and tilapia, ope etew, ope fufuo, ope jollof, fried rice, chicken. Bi bia tilapia. Eno ane se obefrɛ 0549 609697 0549 60 96 97. Sika family ndi hwani mu obia didi wo hono ema ne ko Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Service. Mr. O maame anya stroke ana o dofu bi ana o pebi. Send ye maame ne di nru aba Dr. Grace Bodu. Stroke yet tenete. Diabetes, hypertension. Diabetes ni esichiri yade. Mojabroso hypertension. Afi hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Typhoid fever, malaria, ulcer, peptic ulcer. Prostate cancer and enlargement. O jonso o bre. Afi o how I see chow. Bomodena penis enlargement. Bema ni mwaye mbre mwaye ha. Yebe peje mwama. Na anu yokobusa obabi asem no msio na obi busa na say ede ba ade. Say you ni ayimunti o. It's a question where your bema and kubusa who girlfriend and musani be. What is it that he's having that I do not have? Hey. And Obana say, I want it inside in inches or in dollars.
Wow.
Answer no the man. Also, do you have inches or dollars? Say inches, not as here. So question go ahead musoba. After the answer the man we say Eti bomodna penis enlargement. You be page more amount. Number is 0244 126 123. 0244 126 123. And 0543 320030. 0543 320030. 320030. Doctor no number no. Ubo we wo Oshim School Junction. Ebuakwa Kofodia. Gulf Fuel Station in Chain. Anna, New Achimota, Petroleum Bungalow, New Family Life International School. Family Life International School, Achimota Petroleum Bungalow, and Chain, and Yenino, a war. Bomoni na Shanson, ne two anamon bra, na yesiu, na bibia, and kosu kama, and fam mau. All right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to activate the lines and listen to people, then I'll let you wrap up. Why? Okay. Mibia humana tum. Where is Rocky? The number is 0548 931 931. 0548 931 931. Oba humana swami so ma radio. Ana TV. Enko from pa. 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Morning, number today.
Me ho ya pa hwan nie?
7 years dagumase.
Ah, 7 ma mintiu.
Me bo akwon so na pena. Me film ka se. Any thing no choice. Any is for
Me ba cho, hello, 7.
Omuni di any is for point I get akoko mo so mo ya for party. Awu mo point am andi Ghana point any for ya Ghana point. Omuni di ka ko for be balance. You know, now not going to get any part of the I'm not set to fight the first of the fight. I'm not the man who was then my house. But we are setting my ID to never set fight. What do you have for you?
May I say 0548 931 931. Yeah, 0551. No, we have a little H into me. So I'm friend 0548. Why? Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, man.
Yes, sir. Why you?
But I felt me Rocky. Because I free do my Francho.
And your uncle Rocky soon now pick you.
Me chia DJ Rocky.
Me too.
The asoma me pesa me can say NDC4 omuni at the papa bia magana 4. It's sermo. O menu my dear. Then so I had the year be the idea to NDC4 so menye sure say ombetumi ayi bi papa bi am my konko Ghana.
Let's leave and see. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
I'm about to see you.
Oh, CK from Safi also Western. Main tier one pay.
Hello. This is Lisa. Daben, I'm for me to use your presentation program.
Youth in afforestation. But something or chini and Tiamo Kameboa. Yo, Mate. Ebeba 0548931931. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
Good morning. Because everyone is a
Sacropom, I'm in Tiobinia.
Yeah, I can say. This now, Satan running was from Valanda Boys and Get. Now, I'm sure MPP and Memoir NDC so many years because MPP Babima or General or more NGO NDC is them agenda. The NDC are running that blessing Valanda Boys and Get. We say Satan propaganda secretary Satan the back of NDC for this year or ban one or Vatican. The midday when we say at the Papa the man of my Ghana,
yo, what's what, Jai? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
This is the way they more rem. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pacho Wendy.
For my because it's a Friday.
Mami Tiano pay.
Okay. Wafa. To Frank, one country president, I'm not young watching Wafa.
Yes, how?
If I'm a man for you get a money into the 3 times a day. Some man with Timochana, Bear, one who can one church and a cotton copy. Forces maybe, or but the Mima to an appeal. Into my Wafa, my
as I said, I go Benoit, they renew or Ghana. Narado, they say do something before you die. Nah, more fast. I do pre-man. Ghana for so much Judy. We are pre-man. Ultimate Macomone Massa. I do pre-man. Shake you home. See how they go Benoit. International taste. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Yes, sir. Why you?
If I tell you, I'm going to Janguba.
I got the interview.
Omai, Kakra, my person mechanic. NDC for Omai. Woman be Papa Bia 27 years. No more Papa Bia more, may. Share, no quiet Ghana Kada. No more region almost say, oh, Ghana Kada. And yet, woman phone. Wouldn't let free senior school bar. Woman say, and yet, it's 20 years in the bay. What they ambulance about, woman say, she said, light, yeah, take for pay. One of our contract with the poor Modia, poor maker at TBA, $500 million US says, can get to me in Papa. Oh, say Galamse, I will be Chama, who say, oh, Galamse, I'm more, my no more corn, Galamse site. Say, what about my any poor say, when you Baba BP, now my Yachum Proguno. Woman Combono to Galamse, Chumbala, you went to Ghana for me, catch your BPS as Uncle Poo, with the proper bar.
Thank you, Sako dear. Hello, good morning. Pacho Wendy.
Oh my, there is any to Parliament or what's it?
Parliament for the team on Kache.
And Yazam get to my, I'm born in a dear question, Remo, Yazam get to
a gram to the honest Kanuo this time around.
Yeah. Oh my, yeah. And Yazam get to yeah. On over here, don't go. I was in a channel point, Bonabaso, and go point Shirano. And I'm in chairman lawyer Ivan Samankwa, maybe Obiano. Am I no what's up on it? Kind of company. So, if we say, it's funny, a couple of Poma or move born to 2 program national. Say, only on I just say, about a job on sentiment. No package yet. No central market. On one no matter what you are, don't fight them, on nothing. Never the end is for the deal, Jabos are both to now. What you say?
We are litmus test. Mami Fausia. Okay, for saying your final words in a minute. Now we go so yeah.
No credit eba kope. NDC yema Ghana for the alternative in 2020. So alternative no. Ghana,
but why are you not trumpeting it? Because Ghana for debut.
Let's be realistic.
Unim se manifesto. Ghana for a millionaire. Emu ba kope na beka.
Neighbor, and I make sure say now we can be say Adentina NDC for banana nado policies. Unyanyi flag bearer per our constitution no.
Now Ghana how name say Jomama name of flag.
To the be our lectures. Oye lecture now as a former president Otimika Niamani bia of say
but you don't trumpet it. Ghana font you.
Oh meba.
I am telling you
Ghana at crossroad utie no. Utie there Omanhene that Joma Makasi. O can IMF advice you crowd them omo omo fire no but they can dey omo yi free mu.
Answer.
Utie say me Omanhene, let's be truthful to ourselves. NDC sabi science resource centers across Ghana. Who started it in Ghana? You see, it is a Obi Bejina radio. So NDC 27 years munya de papa bia ma Ghana. Enya MPP sebi osono na se eno de nitia kwasha okasa hemfa. Oti ase science resource center Rollins de buy be pemone. Ebi da so ye adwuma including buses.
Okay.
Free sandals, free school uniform, free textbook and then aban we ba so 4 years now. Textbook and Korali Bisu as the crime.
I must say by December now.
Bye. Come on, Kola with free SHS. Eduani si mu best 6 months. Ne bedru kumase. Boy edin.
Mami Joe, and same Kola come do.
Unim say, me say, NDC there, Ghana for, me say, Mesa Kansi see, I say, min kase niyamamu ayemre, niyamamu ayedin. But NDC nye, abaya ubetimi do watone so. Se oma bebu Omanhene dadea enanka ye betena hase aka se asema okatie se CPPB ana PNC bi na eka sa asem ya enka ni anu ye be ye den ba NDC fo anu ye de e so simple enye no kwase no be ba be ka kire o se wo no yiri nyasem now the comma NDC ni se oni si asem no be je o yire no omo ka no kre.
That is a new sciatica induced.
Omo gradi omo chain. Omo you no. Omo because ojina hono mo a. Obe mia na nia ye said the o suni ade na onya yire no say cafe.
Ade wo wie.
Ade e ho de.
Oh yes sciatica.
Adro na ka e ro say de.
Ade
the was engineer obisa.
Either if you have inches or dollars.
All right.
On the note of sciatica induced analysis we've done here today. Yes, my brother.
For the first time, regional chairman and also or live.
Now also for the first time. I don't know if you hear me.
No, like most of us saw no were people, but we they were trapped from the
I
beginning.
see I can't watch him. Now Canada. Oh, no, I see. They can't watch him there.
But I like listenership, no. I say.
Oh, we are across.
Oh, God bless.
Sompa TV FM. Yetnasia, Ghana. As a baby, how could a box around Ashanti region?
Abaya Ubulu no Tihasino. Kesiepa na no Tihasi or Shep Blue.
Ohini.
Debbie, you're not Shep Blue. Q2 and Kesiepa.
I consider you are. Why they?
I was two bullets in a way.
Oh,
I was a foreign pharmacy and we said don't comment. I say, so and I'm honorable. Ejekuma say, DC, Kuma, Naminchia, Doctor, Berima, Kuma, Omanhene. Therefore, Tribalism, Michiao, Pa,